This is a quick and dirty demonstration of the proximity event in Alice 3. As you see in my world, I have an alien and I have a moon rock on the moon's surface. What I want to do is add the events that will allow the alien not to collide with the rock. So I will click on the Initialize Event Listeners tab, and this is in the very latest version of Alice 3.1 that's available on the website. If this is not what you're seeing, download this particular version. Alright, I want to add the event listener. The first thing I'm going to add is just a keyboard add an object mover for the alien. This will allow me to use the forward, backward, left, and right keys in the world to move the alien around. I then now want to add the event for position orientation, and the first one we're going to work with is the add proximity enter listener. And what Alice 3 wants you to do is to add a custom array, and in fact it wants you to add 2 custom arrays. And then you can't see it on this screen right now, but a third menu that will come up asking you how close or the proximity that you're interested in. I'm going to say 1 meter. Alright, I have said that I want a custom array, and an array can be a list of just one element, and so I'm just going to add the alien to the first custom array and click OK. And then I'm going to add a boulder to the second custom array. This use of arrays allows me to specify multiple objects I don't want to collide with, or multiple objects I don't want to be colliding. So I now have the event, and now what am I going to have the alien do when it gets within 1 meter of this of the boulder? I'm going to have the alien do 2 things. Going to have the alien say something like, oops. And then I'm also going to have the alien turn to the left, a quarter turn, and at the same time move forward 1 meter. So let's see what happens when we play this world. Click on Run. I can now use my arrow keys. I click inside the window to set the focus of the event listener so it knows to listen for the events that happen inside this world. Now I can go ahead and I start moving my alien, and ooh, I got too close. I get outside. And because this is the start, now that I'm still within that proximity area, and so now it's not going to keep doing it again. I sort of have to get out of the range, as it were, and then come back. And then when I get within range again. So that's something to watch out for, and one of the things as you play with this and setting your proximity, be aware of that. I hope this helps. I hope this gives you some insight. It's not a great demonstration, but I think it's enough to get you started.